Kindness is universal. Bonjour à tous, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that defines French society, politeness. Because in France, politeness isn't optional. It's the foundation of every interaction, from buying bread to asking for directions. And if you want to hear how French people actually say these polite phrases in cafes, stores, streets, the Airlearn app is a great way to practice. You'll notice tone, rhythm, and get to repeat the same lines until they sound natural. And here's the best part, it's simple. If you master just a few words, you can make anyone in France instantly warm up to you. Let's start with the most important word in the French language, merci, thank you. You'll hear it everywhere, all the time, whispered, sung, murmured, shouted across cafes. And depending on how you say it, it can mean 100 things. Merci, thanks, merci beaucoup, thank you very much. Ah, merci, c'est gentil. Oh, thank you, that's kind. French people love merci. Use it often and can't overdo it. Next, s'il vous plaît, please, in a formal way. It literally means if it pleases you. It's the golden phrase that opens every door, literal and social. When ordering coffee, buying a ticket, asking for help, always add s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais un croissant, s'il vous plaît. I'd like a croissant, please. You can also use the casual version, s'il te plaît, with friends or children. Now, let's talk about saying sorry. There are two words you'll use most. Pardon, sorry. Excuse me, excusez-moi. Excuse me formally. They sound very similar, but their use depends on context. If you bump into someone, pardon. If you need to get someone's attention, excusez-moi, madame. If you want to apologize more seriously, je suis désolée. French phrases. Merci. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. S'il vous plaît, please. S'il te plaît, please, informally. Pardon, sorry, oops. Excusez-moi, excuse me. Je suis désolée, I'm sorry. So, let's try this. Bonjour, je voudrais 2 baguettes, s'il vous plaît. Bien sûr, 2 baguettes. Merci beaucoup. Avec plaisir. Bonne journée. Hello, I'd like 2 baguettes, please. Of course, 2 baguettes. Thank you very much. My pleasure. Have a nice day. When I first moved to Paris, I was so nervous about sounding rude that I said pardon for everything. Once I dropped my bag and said pardon to the bag, then I realized I might have overdone it. But over time, I learnt that in France, politeness is about rhythm, not panic. A calm bonjour, a warm merci, a quick pardon. That's enough. A cultural note. French politeness has a ritual order. Always begin with bonjour and end with merci or bonne journée. That simple rhythm makes every interaction smoother. Forget to say bonjour and you might get a cold look. Say it and you'll often get a smile. Practice time. Let's repeat the essentials together. Merci. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. S'il vous plaît. Please. Pardon. Sorry. Oops. Excusez-moi. Excuse me. Je suis désolée. I'm sorry. Let's practice. You're in a crowded cafe. You accidentally bump into someone's chair. Pardon. They nod politely. Later you catch the waiter's attention. Excusez-moi, monsieur. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. He smiles. Tout de suite, madame. Right away, madam. Merci beaucoup. Polite, graceful, effortless. Fun facts. In France, excusez-moi literally means forgive me. It's considered more formal than pardon, so use it when you want to sound particularly respectful. And don't forget the little smile. In France, that's half the language. I once heard a French grandmother correct her grandson. He grabbed a biscuit without asking, and she said, "On dit s'il te plaît, mon chéri." We say, "Please, my darling." The boy repeated, "S'il te plaît," and she smiled proudly. It's cultural training, taught from childhood, carried for life. So here's your challenge for today. Use merci, s'il vous plaît, in every interaction, even in your native language. It will shift your tone and the way people respond to you, because French isn't just about pronunciation, it's about presence. And politeness is its poetry. That's it for today. Next time, we'll explore how to sound instantly more French, not by memorizing grammar, but by adding a little attitude. And remember, if you want to practice everything from merci to excusez-moi with real native pronunciation and everyday tone, try the Airlearn app. It's the easiest way to make your French sound natural, confident, and effortlessly polite. Merci beaucoup et à très bientôt.